Here's a sample problem from the ACT official guide, and you can see it's a trig problem. And you can also see that it goes from 0 to 2 pi instead of 0 to 360. And if you look at the answers, you know you're talking radian measure and you're talking the unit circle. If you have forgotten the unit circle or haven't learned the unit circle, here's a way to get around it by using your calculator. First off, you have to make sure that you are in Radians mode by hitting the mode key, and you have the option right here between radian and degree. Mine is set in radian. Make sure you're in this situation, you'd be in radian mode. But also beware, be warned, this is a source of many errors. When you are doing trig, be careful of what mode you are in. So that's the first thing you have to be careful of. The next thing you want to be able to do is you want to set up your table. We have a table feature here. We want to be able to use it. Go second, table setup. And right here, make sure you are allowing ask. It allows you to ask or the user to put in a value for the x. And it's very powerful. All right, so here we go. What we want to do here for this, they're asking what are the values of theta between 0 and 2 pi when the tangent of theta is -1. Easy enough. Go hit y is equal to, and y1, just put the tangent of x. Okay. Then we're going to go to table, and we're going to try some values for x. The first one we're going to try is pi over 4. You can see that I typed it in here, but when I hit enter, it puts it in as the x value, and it puts actually the numeric value. But the y value is 1 here. We're looking for a -1, or a -1. So we can rule out this guy, and we can rule out this guy. Let's look at 3 pi over 4. That's just 3 pi divided by 4. I typed it right in. Again, it puts the numerical value in there, and it gives you the y value, which is -1. Nice. So it's either this one or this one. It can't be this one because there is no 3 pi over 4 in that option. So we have ruled it down. Let's try 5 pi over 4. That's a +1. We're looking for a -1. So it must be this option. If I were in a hurry, I would just circle H. But right now I'm not in a hurry, so I'm just going to show you that 7 pi divided by 4 is truly a -1. So that's the guy I want. You can use the same process on non-trig equations when you're just looking for a value. It's an efficient way to plug values in when you have the possibility of using your calculator.